I just want to briefly close by commenting on the quality of every presentation, extraordinary presentation across, a wide range of topics. They're sort of master classes in their own particular topic, and I think it encourages us to, think deeply about what we've learnt. But taking up the point of Jeremy and others, there's no point in us just absorbing the knowledge unless we do something, unless we act on it. And in fact, I was wondering whether it was actually unethical to spend time away from our family yesterday and then time away from our work today unless we act on what we've heard. And you can choose what you act on. It might be to extend an experiment. It might be to implement something in clinical practice. It might be to educate others. It might be to advocate for something. There are lots of things we can do. But something that Rod and Andrew are going to help with is Sir Jeremy's concern about the reduction in, or the potential reduction in funding of the WHO if America withdraws. And, there are a number of things that we can all do. We can lobby politicians. We can talk about it at dinner parties on a Saturday night. We can rage against it. But I think the Immunisation Coalition, if they put up Sir Jeremy's last comments on the webpage, which we've got recorded, that's a start. But if you have other ideas of how we can highlight, the infamy of what might happen, and it's under the heading of highlighting the importance of science. And how did this happen? Well, the people of America have voted for this person. They now need to understand that they may have actually disempowered, their scientists, who not only help Americans, but they help all of us around the world. So please think about it. Rod and Andrew will receive any suggestions you've got and maybe take it back to your own workplaces. I'd also like to thank the Secretariat of the Immunisation Coalition. I'd like to thank all our sponsors, and again, in no particular order, and this time in reverse, Kefalid, BioElect, Novavax, MSD, Moderna, CSL, Seqirus, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, GSK and Sanofi. Remind you that the talks will be online. Please fill out the evaluation because that makes us stronger. And there's another meeting coming up mid-year that we'll remind you of. And that's it. Thanks, everybody. Take care.